Hello and welcome to Tiposi Tales.
Just reached Kohima. The Neiphiu dropped us somewhere there. Started walking. We were looking for a cafe particularly. Found information in Google. The cafe. It's a pretty ambience, very beautiful, clean. I will just record a little bit of the interiors. We are planning to go cafe hopping in Kohima, as many as we can. We have just a few hours here. Again, plan is that we will go to each cafe, order one item and share it. That way we will be full by the end of this hopping business. Just done with the cheese salmon sandwich. I forgot to click a picture because the owner sat with us and we had a very beautiful conversation. Right now we moved in the same road. There are a few more cafes, one particular building with two cafes. This is one Cafe Bella and there's another on top, Amari's restaurant. First we thought we would go to Amari's, but they only open by 11, so it's 10:30 past. Valley का fantasy था, food fantasy. All of a sudden it was a crazy walk and I said out loud I want orange juice. She started tripping on it, I started tripping on it. उसके बाद शुरू हुआ biryani. She started burger. It just went on and all of those things were not available. Now that we are in the city, we're in Kohima. And darling just went above and beyond to get this orange juice. Spoke to the people at Cafe Bella, and they ran down to the store, got a few oranges and squeezed it for us. I am grateful.
इतना सा खाते ही हम दोनों का पेट भर चुका था. फिर डिसाइड किया वॉर सिमेट्री चलते हैं. उसी टाइम पे पता चला प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया वॉर सिमेट्री जा रही थी. ये हम वॉक कर ही रहे थे, बगल से प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया चली गई. एंड बाय द टाइम हम वॉर सिमेट्री पहुँचे वो अपना काम करके निकल चुकी थी. देखने नहीं मिला. Age 20, 32, 28, 21, 22, 22. That many on this level. that many that side, those many on this level, and there are multiple levels beyond that. All of them 20, 19, 22, 23, 30, 28, 27, 29. Sad. फिर से रोना तो आया था, लेकिन कंट्रोल किया लेंसेज जो पहनी हुई थी. Again, for those of you who are new here, रोना नहीं आता लेंस पहन के. Almost over. It's Dimapur. Just reached Dragoban again, the hotel near the railway station in Dimapur. It's the same hotel where I stayed the time that we reached here. The railway station is nearby. My train is booked tomorrow at 10:22 p.m. and it'll hardly take me maximum 3 hours to reach home. Right now it's 3:30 p.m. It's going to be dark very soon. We need to now, we just checked in. We are going to just wash our faces and go out to the Dimapur town area. फिर हम गए सिटी के तरफ जहाँ पे दीमापुर मार्केट थी. बहुत सारे प्यारे प्यारे सामान थे लेकिन ख़रीदा कुछ नहीं. मैं शॉपिंग नहीं करती जब भी कहीं जाती हूँ. और वापस घर आई, खाना खाए और हम सो गए. आप अगर नए हो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. सी यू अगेन ऑन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. थैंक यू.